What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace or change out the blade on your circular saw. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, we've got our circular saw here. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the battery if it is a cordless. If it is corded, make sure it's unplugged. The second thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and move it all the way up. Now usually on the handle somewhere there's a little Allen key. That's going to be our key right here to take off the blade. Then you'll need to find the blade lock on this one. It's right here. You're just going to hold it in, push it all the way in, and then with our Allen key we'll go ahead and loosen this nut up. And a quick tip is to loosen it up, you're going to want to loosen it the same direction as the saw. There's a little arrow right here, the direction of the saw blade. To loosen it, it'll be the same direction as that. So to tighten it, it's always the opposite direction of the blade. That's so that it doesn't loosen up with the blade spinning. We take the bolt out, then there's a little washer. And then we can pull our blade safety guard back. Then we can just lift up the blade and pull it out the bottom. So you're going to want to replace the blade when you start noticing that your saw, it's taking more effort to cut through cuts. It's bogging the motor down, or you can see burn marks on the cut wood, or it starts smoking the wood. So most saws now have a circular arbor, but some of the older ones use this diamond pattern. And to take out the diamond pattern to make this blade work, just go ahead and grab this part right here with pliers and give it a little twist, and that'll come right out. So you're going to get your new blade, and quick tip, the more teeth a blade has, the finer the cut is going to be. So a 40 or 60 tooth blade would be for more finishing. This is a 24 tooth for more like framing, just basic cutting that you don't need to worry about the finish so much. So we put the blade on, and if you look on the blade, there's arrows, and those arrows, you're going to want that the same direction as the arrows on your saw. If you don't have arrows on your saw, just take a quick note of which way the saw blade spins when you're running it. We'll put that washer back on. Then we're going to put that Allen bolt back in. And remember, it spins for tightening the opposite way the blade spins. So for this one, it is counterclockwise to tighten it. Do it by hand. Then you're going to want to press the blade lock in again. And you don't need to wrench this down super tight. I mean, you want it tight, but you don't need to wrench it on that tight. Alright guys, and there it is. That's how to change out the blade on your circular saw. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care.